Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Dimma here, okay? This is Dimma here. Today we're going to be talking about black soap. If you've watched my last two skincare routine videos, you're going to know that when it comes to cleansing my body, like body care from the neck downwards, I love to use black soap a lot. That's all I've been using for the past 2 years now. I started using it religiously in 2016 and I have not looked back. That's how amazing black soap is. Like, I've noticed that my skin has improved significantly, especially when it comes to appearance. When I started using black soaps, like, the plan was to just start using something with ingredients that I could understand. I didn't set out to even out my skin tone or anything, but then after using black soap for like 2 years now, like, I have noticed that my skin looks a lot different, a lot more even, and like, I feel like if you start using black soap, you're not going to look back. Ever. If you don't know what black soap is a type of soap that we have here in West Africa. They've been around for like centuries. And I know that Nigeria, Ghana, and I'm sure Benin and Togo as well, this is a type of soap that we all use in this part of Africa. I don't know if you go far west like Senegal, Mali, if this is still a thing. But this side of West Africa here, black soap is really, really popular. It's basically made from the ash of certain African plants. So they burn everything together, and the ash that you get from burning these things, you know, they use the ash to make black soap. I'm sure that black soap is not too foreign to a lot of you. Some of you already know what it is, I'm sure. A lot of people know Dudu Osun. Dudu Osun is a very, very popular black soap. It's been around for as far back as I can remember, and it comes like in a bar. And for the longest time, I thought that that was the only way that black soap would come. That black soap only comes in that, like, you know, solid bar of soap kind of, like, you know, I don't know, form. In 2016, it dawned on me that the really good ones, they are not even solid. They are never solid. They are always really soft and mushy, or they are liquid. And after I realized this, the Igbo name for black soap also made complete sense to me, because Igbo people call black soap nchankota. And for the longest time, I would remember thinking, like, why would they call black soap nkota? Because nkota in Igbo means to scoop. And all the black soap that I had ever seen, like, you know, before I found out that black soap doesn't need to be solid, they were always solid, and I was like, why would you guys call it nchankota when you don't need to scoop anything out? I discovered the good stuff and the name made complete sense to me. So the first black soap on my list is from Natural Nigerian. It's their lemongrass and eucalyptus black soap. I've shared this in a video before in a monthly favorites that I uploaded last year. The packaging looks like this. Inside you get the soap, which is black. You guys can see like how much I've scooped already from this. This is one of the more affordable black soaps on my list. This one sells for 1,990, and I believe that you can get this from the Natural Nigerian website, or you can buy it from Ebano. Natural Nigerian has a stand in all the Ebano supermarkets in Lagos, I believe. It has this very nice, clean, citrus lemon scent to it, and I never even in a million years thought that black soap would smell like this ever. I love to use this in the mornings because it just wakes me up. It makes me feel really alert, and I don't know, it makes just going to the shower something that I look forward to. You get 200 grams of product in here, and guys, I love this a lot. The second black soap on my list is from Fig, and this is their pure black soap. They have another one that is a lot more popular. That one has turmeric as an active ingredient, and that one is really good, especially for anyone that is struggling with hyperpigmentation, because turmeric is a natural lightening agent, so it will help you like just fade your dark spots gradually. But I always go back to this one, and I hardly ever get that one. This one is a lot more affordable. It sells for 2,890 naira. The one with turmeric in it sells for like about 5,000 something, I'm not sure. This one just gets the job done. It has a very crisp, clean scent to it. It doesn't smell fancy, and I love this a lot. It's really soft as well. You guys can see what it looks like inside, and I've scooped up quite a bit already. On the packaging, it says that you can use it on your hair and on your skin. 800 grams is a lot of product, especially for the price. It is a lot of product. So if you don't want to keep buying and buying, and you just want something that is going to last you a while, try the Fig Pure Black Soap. So the third black soap on my list, this one is literally my favorite. I've gone through like 4 or 5 jars of this. That's how much I love this. And this one is by a brand called NAG Annex. I remember the first time that I saw a post or an ad for this particular brand, and I was like, fancy. I've used quite a lot of black soaps, but I have not used black soaps that look like the ones that I saw on the website for this brand. Black soaps that had stuff that I'd never think you'd see in a black soap. So this one is the NAG Annex African Black Soap, exfoliant for the body in rose petals. So this one has rose petals. in it. I'm opening a brand new one in this video just to show you guys, because once you start using it, the roses all kind of mix into the black soap and you don't see them as much. Ooh, I got this 2 days ago and I can see now that they've changed the packaging. With all the other ones that I had used in the past, the roses literally sit on top of the soap. Now they put it in a plastic container. I'm not sure if I like this, but then again, it gives you the option to mix it in if you want, or to just take it out. But then whether you mix it in or not, this smells like roses. Guys, every single time that I use this to shower, the entire bathroom, my entire bedroom just smells like roses. I don't know how they do it, but this soap is so good. It leaves your skin feeling hydrated, leaves it feeling moisturized. It is very, very soft, so scooping this up is not a problem. You guys can see that my finger is literally sinking into it. It is one of the more expensive ones. It sells for 4,200, but in my opinion, this is worth every single penny you pay for it. I love this so much. NAG Annex, they have a website and they ship internationally. So on their website, this is actually recommended for people with hyperpigmentation. It has lemon and turmeric as active ingredients, and these two, we all know that they help with like lightening dark spots and stuff like that. If you want to try something fancy, try this. If you want to try something to help you even out your skin tone, try this. This soap is such a treat, like you're not going to regret it. Lastly, I forgot to mention, but you get 300 grams of product in here. So the last two black soaps on my list, they are liquid black soaps. The first one is from a brand called Kaimi, and this is their Goji black soap. The bottle itself is black. Like, I've used this so much. You guys can see that I've squeezed the bottle so much that I have product just somewhere here. This is the amount of product that I have left in here. And with this particular bottle, you get 453 grams. This has a very like citrusy, I don't know how to explain the scent you get with this, but it's very sweet and fruity, and then you can also smell some honey. I'm not really sure what is responsible for the smell, the really sweet fruity smell you get with this particular black soap, but I'm sure it's probably from the essential oils blend that it has in here. It lathers really well and the smell lingers. When I use this in the bathroom, like the whole bathroom, the whole bedroom smells of this, and it's a lot more convenient. It's so easy to squeeze this out and then move. So if you're looking for a very, very good liquid black soap, check this brand out. They ship worldwide, I believe, and the prices on their website is actually in dollars. So this particular bottle sells for $35 and I think it's worth it. Okay, so with the last soap on my list, I kind of feel bad even putting this in this video, but I feel like I just have to talk about it. I got this in an invite. If you guys have watched my last vlog, I unboxed my Ocean's 8 invite in that vlog, and this soap was in it. I've tried a couple of other liquid black soaps, but this one actually stood out for one reason, and I'm going to tell you guys why. It reminds me so much of the normal, like the type of black soap that a lot of us would consider normal. It has this very practical smell. I told you guys in the beginning that black soap is made from ash, and this one has a very like woody, smoky scent to it. It's a kind of scent that you would honestly expect from black soap when nothing extra has been done to it, and the smell doesn't linger, so it's not something offensive. But then I feel like I need this, or I've been needing it a lot mornings when I need to get up and get work done. I'm not like, I don't want to go and pamper myself. Like, I just want something that smells very practical. This is it for you. It's not as moisturizing as some of the other black soaps here. Your skin feels squeaky clean and soft. It's also the blackest, literally the blackest soap on this list. You guys can see how black it is. And it lathers nicely. It doesn't stain your skin, but then it can stain fabric, so be very careful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do you like black soap? Which ones are your favorites? Let me know, because I would love to try them. That's how much I love black soap. So I'm going to leave all the details that you will need on all of this in the description box, so please check there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.